Alright, this weld is 1F weld. I got my little X set up. A couple of attempts earlier didn't go so well, but this is not one of those one and done kind of processes. It may take you, 8, 9, 10, 4 times to get this figured out. I found through my welding, I like 70 amps, the 6013. I'm just going to get the electrode, it's not plugged in yet, at a pretty vertical angle, strike my arc, get it burning, and I'm going to kind of watch the puddle form. I'm looking for the puddle to adhere to the left and the right side. So I'm going to do a little bit of kind of smearing the puddle left, smearing the puddle right, letting it fill, and then hitting the middle. Smear left, smear right, let it fill, hit the middle, let it fill. It's a pretty slow moving process. So let the puddle kind of determine the speed of your travel. All right? I'm keeping a pretty short arc. You can push the puddle around. If I get too high, I find that the spray kind of fans, and I get no control over it. I like a shorter arc for this one. Let's give it a try. Remember, let it fill, push left, push right, let it fill the middle, push left, push right, let it fill the middle, another left, another right, fill the middle, a left, another right, fill the middle. Let's see how we're doing so far. Let the weld cool off a bit. I'll pull the slag off and give it a look. Alright, weld's cool off a little bit, slag removed, and I found that I just don't quite have it ready to go yet. I got a good bite in the left and the right. Middle's still a little bit weak. I'm going to try it one more time.